So this is the GAN 562M 5x5. The packaging is pretty small considering this is a 5x5, and the packaging is as big as it is in a GAN 3x3. So not anything special about the packaging. Let's just get it open. So the first thing we see upon opening the box is this credit card over here, the GAN 562 credit card. And inside we have a cube box and an accessories box. Let's put the cube aside for a while and look at the accessories box. So let's just get it open. Inside we don't have much, we just have a screwdriver, a cube pouch and a solving manual. So the cube pouch looks something like this. And this is a GAN screwdriver which will help in adjustment. So the cube box is a standard cube box that you get in GAN cubes. You just have to press down on this GAN logo over here to open the cube. Cool. So this is the UV coated variant. We also have a frosted variant over here. So as you can see the difference between these two, this is very shiny and this is a bit matte. Turning wise, first turns, the cube is very smooth. Two layers are also working very nice. Same with this. The main difference just between these cubes is that this is frosted and this is UV coated. So we'll just be focusing on the UV coated one for now and remove the frosted one. So we'll just give this a quick scramble on and just give some first turn reviews. This is really amazing. Flows really good, just locks in place. I might have to loosen the tensions a bit. It is pretty smooth right now. It locks in pretty well. The magnets from the inner layers are very strong and the outer layer magnets are a bit weak, which is fine. Yeah, let's do a quick solve on this. So that was the solve. The cube is very smooth and there is almost no lockups on this. And yeah, the cube is overall very good and I would totally recommend this as your main. To buy this cube, you can visit cubelelo.com or click the link in the description. Hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get updated for future videos. Thanks for watching and happy cubing.